Celtic 1-0 Inverness CT, Glasgow, November 1, 2014. AFP, John Guidetti's rich vein of form in front of goal continued as his solitary strike sealed the 1-0 win over Inverness Caledonian Thistle that moved the Hoops up to third in the Scottish Premiership. The Scottish champions dominated the first half, but a well-disciplined Inverness defence limited the hosts to long-range efforts from Virgil van Dijk and Scott Brown. However, it took just 3 minutes of the second half for informed Swedish striker Guidetti to fire Celtic in front for his 9th goal in 9 games since joining the club on loan from Manchester City on transfer deadline day. A nervy-looking Celtic then survived a late Inverness surge to record their 3rd consecutive clean sheet in the league. The Hoops, who have now won 3 Premiership games in a row for the first time this season, are just 2 points behind new league leaders Dundee United with a game in hand. I am very proud of the team as it's been 4 games in 9 days and we've had 4 victories, Celtic manager Ronnie Deila said. I think the first half was some of the best play we've had this season, as I think Inverness are the best team we've played against so far in the Scottish League, so I'm happy we won. Inverness manager John Hughes felt his side could have got something from the game. We worked hard in training all week and I wanted to see it come to fruition. Probably the only time we lost our concentration was the goal, Hughes said.